I have 4 potatoes here. They were 4 pounds for $1 at my grocery store this week. So this is probably 25 cents each. Our dinner is going to be less than probably $2 for everything for all of us to eat. Add some bacon right there, and let's take my bacon grease. If I can film and do this, I should have got the thing. Okay, I'm pouring my bacon grease all over. I'll let that cool for just a minute, and then just going to roll all of these in bacon grease, just like so. Then I'm sprinkling with sea salt. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Alright, and then I'm covering them and putting them in the oven and let them roast for about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how long it takes for them to get done. Right, to tell if your potatoes are done, take a knife, stick it in the center. See how nice and easy that goes in? My potatoes are done. Nice and oh no, are they done? Oh shoot. Okay, well it went in really nice, but it's not quite done, so I'm gonna microwave it. Oh yum! That's some sour cream right there.
Toast.